The Dominator Extreme DSS slider steps from GoRhino can help you dominate even the most extreme trails. These steps are a 2-in-1 package deal. They're a full-length step as well as a full-length rock slider. The top of the side plate has a rub rail and a punch steel step plate. It has punches in the plate itself to add a no-slip grip point for your shoes. A great feature of the step is that the top plate is removable for easy cleaning and painting. While the top step plate is removable, it does not need to be removed for the step rails to be used as a rock slider. This slider will add more protection to your body panels from dangers on the trail and on the road. The Dominator Extreme slider steps have a textured black powder coat finish to help fight off rust and debris. You can purchase these steps alone or with the brackets to install them. If you're interested in purchasing the Dominator Extreme DSS slider steps from GoRhino, or you need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to come back next week for more new product videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.